Hi, English with AliSir. Today our topic is compound sentences. So our primary focus would be using coordinating conjunctions to form compound sentences, joining simple sentences to form compound sentences, converting compound sentences to simple sentences. So let's get started. I'm sure you'll be knowing about simple sentences. He's a boy, he is tired, he has a headache, he knows me, it is very cold. So these are all kinds of simple sentences. When we coordinate two sentences, the two sentences, or you can call clauses, form compound sentences. So we can simply say a compound sentence is composed of two independent clauses. That means a compound sentence is composed of two simple sentences when they are joined together by a coordinating conjunction. Usually a comma is placed before the conjunction to separate the two clauses. So there is one more thing to remember, that a simple sentence is an independent clause having one subject and one verb. Both the clauses are of equal importance in a compound sentences. Usually there are 7 coordinating conjunctions: and, but, yet, so, or, nor, and for. So these are general coordinating conjunctions. So let's explain it one by one. And is used to join two sentences which are of simple nature or which give information about the same subject. Example: he was tired and he had a headache. Here one sentence is he was tired, second sentence is he had a headache. So here the question arises, why not to put full stop after tired? Why not give two sentences to this? This coordinating conjunction is used to form one sentence from two simple sentences. That means one compound sentence is comprising of two simple sentences because they have got strong relationship. So this is the basic thing to understand. One more example can be: the driver saw a child on the road and applied the brakes. So when the both clauses, or you can say both simple sentences, have got strong relationship and we do not want to put pause, we do not want to put full stop in between, then we combine them with these coordinating conjunctions. Then there is second coordinating conjunction, that is but. But is used to join sentences which show contrast, comparison. Example: he studied hard, but he did not do well in the exam. Next example can be: Tina has a degree in management, but she wants to be a reporter. Here, having a degree in management is in contrast with her career that she wants to be a reporter. That means, in simple way, we can understand that a reporter does not need degree in management, or simply degree in management has nothing to do with reporter career. So here, when there are two contrast sentences, don't use and, but you have to use but in middle of the two sentences. While they coordinate, they get combined. Then there is the third coordinating conjunction used in compound sentences, that is yet. Yet is also used to join sentences which show contrast. When we use yet, when the contrast is stronger or more definite, so we use yet. Let's take some examples. People knew Rakesh was lying, yet they seemed to believe him. Ali is very good at work, yet he has not got a promotion. So next coordinating conjunction is so. So is used to show cause and effect. So whenever there is cause and effect, so is used. So let's take a couple of examples. It was so hot, so he had to take umbrella with him. My mobile phone got crashed, so I have lost all my data. So showing cause and effect. What should be the cause? And if effect is there, then you have to always use so. Then there is next coordinating conjunction, which is or. Or is used to show choice. When there is the choice of two things, you use or. For example, you must pay the fine or you will be punished. Next example can be, you can buy this book or borrow it. So there are two choices. One, you can buy it or borrow it. You can take it or leave it. You can go or stay. So when there are two choices, you can use or. The next coordinating conjunction is nor. Nor means also not. It is used to join two sentences or clauses that contain negatives. So you have to understand this. Or is used when there are two positive sentences, nor is used against that for two negatives. For example, she doesn't drink milk, nor does she have butter. I can't whistle, nor can I sing. He did not study last night, nor did he read. They were not wearing jackets, nor were they carrying umbrellas. So, next coordinating conjunction used in compound sentences is for. For is used when one clause or sentence provides the reason for the action in other clause. That means the next clause, that means the next part of sentence provides the reason against the first one. It is similar to because but is used to form compound sentences. For example, she put on a sweater for she was cold. I drank water for I was thirsty. I ran for I was scary. So this was all about compound sentences. Compound sentences are the combination of two simple sentences. So again, for understanding, you have to focus on the thing. When two simple sentences are joined, it becomes a compound sentence, and in the middle of the sentence or at the beginning we can also do that. So we use coordinating conjunctions in order to join two simple sentences. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe. Thank you.